Hey, what's going on, guys? Just before we get into the video really quick, I just want to say Hunter had a really great turnout with his Wings and Wheels meet. I'm just finishing editing the video. I just can't wait to do it again. I really want to see the next meet. Hopefully it has the same kind of turnout. I just kind of, with everything going on, I just kind of forgot to make an introduction. So this is it. I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video.
Down the middle. You'll see a bunch of the GT500 right there. Just park on the other side of them. Okay. Yeah. Park on the other side like the Mustang's all. Yeah. Park on the other side of Mustang. It's got a 2-inch slope on the springs.
It is. There are so many people here. Oh man. Look, it's Junior's first meet. It is. That's a Bradley GT. It's a kit car. It's a limited kit car. Sounds amazing. It's rear engine. The engine's right in the back.
American cars. American stuff. Oh, it's that side. American. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Park with the American stuff. Hey, with American and American stuff. C28.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So how do you feel right now?
Fucking happy in it. Oh my god. Go ahead and park with all the the import stuff.